Hello everyone, this is Moto Mimi. In this video, we are going to learn some very interesting things. So let us start the video and I hope you will all enjoy the video.
The action which this cute girl is doing in the video is called Ritala in Idu-Mishmi language. As you can see, she is shivering, which is called Ango.
Walking with toes is called Athutu in Idu-Mishmi language.
We walk like this when we get hurt in our legs. This is called Katodo. As you can see, this little girl is squeezing wet cloth. So, squeezing of wet cloth is called Richila in Idu-Mishmi language. Pinching is called Upichi. Making hole with sticks or aluminum wire is called Lope. But making hole with the help of your finger is called
Lupe.
Etching is called Masua. Making hole by punching is called Chope. Slapping is called Abyakala in Idu-Mishmi language. The action which they are doing in the video is called Ukre in Idu-Mishmi language. And this is called Mela or Metala. You might have seen some people sitting in this position, which is called Ithundu. This sitting position is called Eto. Sitting in this position is called Aprupru.
Lying down is called Kha.
Leaning is called Pro in Idu-Mishmi language. The action which you are watching right now is called Ko. Licking is called Ala, Hala or Hadu. Yawning is called Angrao. Dragging is called Aru. The movement that happens due to unbearable upset stomach is called Likru in Idu-Mishmi language. Rolling is called Laku in Idu-Mishmi language. As you can see here, stepping with force is called Pacho. The action which you are watching right now is called Shohoto in Idu-Mishmi language. When we move from one place to another, the way she is doing in the video is called Achisu. When we bite our tongue accidentally while eating is called Thupito in Idu-Mishmi language.
This is called Athuto or Kaito in Idu-Mishmi language.
Oh
Blinking is called ipi. This is called pati in Idumishmi language. When we step on something unknowingly is called natra in Idumishmi language. The action which Miss Lotali Mimi is doing in the video is called nosi. Wearing of cloth is called echo or ne in Idumishmi language. And putting off your cloth is called rela in Idumishmi language. You might have seen people holding their friend's hand in this way, right? This is called athungi. Sitting in this manner is called jondote. Banging your head like this is called topoto. You might have seen people washing their clothes in this way. This is called nasi. Shaking your feet in this manner is called bropre. A person with big lips is called belele or beleka. Spreading your legs in this manner is called poga or pandrandra. This is chuho. This is chuyo. And this is chuchose. Touching the things in this way is called atwatra or atwata. Punching like this is called chotha in Idumishmi language. When you make such expression to irritate someone is called eshape. You might be thinking this is same as squeezing, but it is not. This is called ariyuga in Idumishmi language. Squeezing out something from the packet is called anabru. Giving such dirty looks or insulting facial expression to someone is called pinzinzi. Sitting on the chair in this manner is called ache or ngache. People with such teeth are called pozoma or pozozo in Idumishmi language. Making such expression is called tohoho. This is called khopi, mebreshi or mebrebre. Standing is called de. And this is called aliha or kaliha.
Eta niche video hai alima ondo bane ene ahwe athu alombro ke ba jipa jiga ba adone echa ha video athu eme ne ta ando ahito gala oshida nga uji.